back with another video. I've got my groceries for the week, and we have a big old haul this time. I spent about $150, although a good portion of it is this ham here. So I'm just going to get into it because this might take a little while. This is everything that my family of four needs for the week. So, got a couple dozen eggs. The last couple of weeks I've bought 1 dozen and we've gone through it in like 3 days and been out for the rest of the time. So this week I bought 2 dozen, and chances are we'll still have 1.5 dozen come grocery day next week, because that's just how it works. If I buy a bunch, we don't go through it. But if I buy a little, then it's gone in a day. Just the way it works in this house. So, 2 dozen eggs. I got some tomatoes. Some romaine lettuce hearts, that's for salads this week. A couple of household items here. I got some Ziploc bags and some aluminum foil. We were all out of both of those things. Got some of these flour tortillas, the fajita size. I actually ordered the great value ones, but Walmart was all out, and I did the Walmart grocery pickup, so they did a substitution for the Mission ones. I got 2 of these Memphis Pit barbecue rubs from McCormick Grill Mates. These are my husband's favorite to use with his grill. And we grill all year round, even in January in Southeast Michigan. I got a big ham just because this sounded so good. We typically just have ham at Easter time. I didn't want to wait till Easter, so got a ham this week. We're obviously going to just have ham one night, and then we're going to use some of the leftovers for a ham and potato soup, which I'm really excited about. Picked up some half and half for our coffee. Also picked up the unsweet pure leaf tea for my husband. If you guys watch my channel often, you know my husband loves that stuff. I got some saltine crackers, some of these oranges. These are the best oranges ever. I'm so excited to have these. They smell so good. Also picked up a couple pounds of strawberries this week. I don't typically buy strawberries in the winter just because they're more expensive, obviously, during their off season, but I've been craving those, and I've also been craving grapes. So I picked up some of those. I got a red onion. Also picked up a couple of cucumbers for snacking. Some English muffins. We're going to do breakfast sandwiches again this week. That was a big hit last week. Like I said, we do grilling all year round, and my husband has a wood pellet grill, so we needed the pellets for that. That's what this giant bag is. I got a couple of cans of soup because it sounded like a good option for lunch this week. So I got the chicken pot pie Progresso soup. I haven't had that one before, but I'm hoping it'll be good. And I also got the chicken and herb dumplings, which I also haven't tried before. I just wanted to try something different this week. I got some strawberry preserves because I bought sugar-free strawberry preserves last week, and my guys don't like sugar-free stuff, but they were all complaining that we didn't have any strawberry preserves for them, so I got them some this week. I got some of this Laughing Cow cheese. I ordered the light, but they were out, so I got the creamy original, which is fine. Also got a bottle of ketchup because we were all out of that this week. Like I said, my family doesn't really do sugar-free, so I got the sugar-free syrup for myself and the original for the fam. Got a gallon of milk. This Pace Chunky Salsa. Oop, focus camera. Not really sure why my camera's not focusing. I think it's just there's too much on the table here. The Pace Chunky Salsa was the substitution for the Great Value brand, which was fine. Got some butternut squash. I'm going to roast that to serve it with the ham. I thought that would be really good together. Some store brand Apple Jacks. Some sour cream. Got a bunch of bananas. We've been going through 12 bananas a week, so there's that. Decided to restock my freezer with some frozen veggies, so I got some cut green beans, a couple of bags of the steamable Brussels sprouts, sweet peas, and a couple bags of broccoli. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts are our favorites. I got some frozen waffles to keep on hand for breakfasts. I also picked up some of these chicken breast tenderloins. I thought this would just make for a nice, easy meal one night. This and some potato wedges, which you see here. I got some slow roasted turkey breast for sandwiches for the week. Also got some Colby Jack cheese. And I think that takes care of everything that is on the table. I also bought a bunch of snacky type things this week, which are over on the counter, so let me show you that. Alright you guys, so here are all the snacks. We could not decide what we wanted this week, so we just bought everything practically. We were all in the mood for crunchy stuff. Don't mind, my dishwasher is running right here, so if you hear noise, that's what you're hearing. So I got a box of the butter flavored microwave popcorn. I got a big box of the cracked pepper and olive oil Triscuits. These are for me. I absolutely love Triscuits, and these pepper and olive oil ones are my favorite. I got some crunchy Cheetos. My husband loves these extra toasty Cheez-Its, so I got him a box of those. Robbie requested the jalapeno flavored pretzel pieces from Snyder's, so I obliged him with those. I got a big bag of the garlic parmesan pretzel crisps. I've been watching Molly, I cannot remember her channel name, she's changed it a couple of times. Classically Molly, I think, is her channel name right now. And she's been talking about pretzel crisps. They didn't have the flavor that she's been recommending. So I just got the garlic parmesan ones, which I've tried before and I know I like. We got the great big bag of those. And lastly, a couple of bags of tortilla chips to go with that salsa. So that is it for my grocery haul this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!